We're going to look at an editing option called Power Edit. Open the design file that was created in the Steel and Enhanced Outline exercises. From the main menu, select View and Sequence View to open the Sequence Viewer. Click on the plus symbol next to the red color section to expand this. As you move your mouse through the segments and left-click on them, you'll note that they are outlined, or they're outlined and have nodes depending on which view is turned on. Locate the last petal and running line that was created in your design file. Select the petal, hold the Shift key, and then select the running line after it. From the main menu, select Edit, Copy to Clipboard. Select Edit, Paste from Clipboard from the main menu. A copy of the two segments is pasted into the design file. Move the mouse cursor over the selected area and right-click to open a menu. From the menu, select Power Edit. The selected segments are surrounded by a box with round nodes and two protruding lines with nodes on the end of them. The line on the side of the box will allow you to rotate these selected sections. Move the mouse cursor over the round node and the mouse cursor will turn into a curved arrow. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the selected segments into a new rotation or new position. Then place the mouse cursor in the middle of the selected segments until the mouse cursor becomes a hand. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag them to the correct position in the design. Look at the Stitch Sequence Viewer. The two selected sections are not in the proper stitching order. They are still selected because they're highlighted gray. Press and hold your left mouse button over one of the selected items and drag them both to the bottom of the stitching order. You can repeat the copy and paste from clipboard options as often as you like, and new items pasted in will automatically be in Power Edit mode. If you're going to move copied and pasted items, remember to wait until the mouse cursor turns into a hand cursor before dragging these selected segments into a new position. When using the Copy and Paste option, also remember to check your Stitch Sequence Viewer to see if the pasted items have been placed in the correct sewing order. There is another option that you can use to duplicate or create copies of items in the designs. Move your mouse cursor over the selected segments and right-click. Select the Duplicate option from the pop-up menu. Move the mouse cursor and you'll see a wireframe outline of the duplicated segments. To place these duplicated items into the design, left-click. After you left-click, you'll see the wireframe is still attached to the mouse. Press the Enter key to end duplication of the selected segments. Duplicated items behave the same as copy and pasted items. When you right-click, you can still select Power Edit from the pop-up menu. Rotate the duplicated segment into position and drag it into the desired location. After you have placed the duplicated segments, look at the Sequence Viewer. The duplicated segments were automatically placed at the bottom of the stitching order, so they're in the correct sewing position.